Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay, so we continue the grind higher. We talked on Friday. I'm just going to hop hourly chart right away. Here we go. So we talked about resistance area, support area from last week, breaking out from that area. We kind of retested it here, here, and here. Retested the top of this range. They go up and they do 29.1475. They pull it back a little bit, and then back up to do. So far it's a lower high, and then we've just been kind of grinding in through Sunday night. Your new weekly pivot is right at the roundy, right at the top of this range, 29.0125. So on a test of weekly pivot here, understand we're testing three things all at once. You're testing the weekly pivot, you're testing the top of the range, and you're testing the round number 2900. Okay? So this week, especially today, is all about the roundy. Are they going to continue to progress to the upside? Is the roundy going to hold? The bears have got to live with numbers that are 28s. They don't. In the 29s, they have nothing. What they have in the 29s is just a slow bleed to the upside that's going to keep pace above the 9-day and continue to reach for that yellow line, which is the upper band, which today is up in and around 32. So it's all about 2,900. There's not much more to say. As I look at this, as I've looked at it all morning, these areas that were tested both pre-market and in the 11 o'clock hour were simply retests at 0.2 That's within a handle of the new weekly pivot. It's within a handle of these resistance areas, and this is going to be the deal. This is going to be the deal today. So as you get into Tuesday, mid-Wednesday, remember we have a shortened week this week. Friday is Good Friday. Globex is closed. The market is closed. It's a completely dead day. So this is a true 4-day week. So as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, if the weekly pivot's intact, if we continue to make higher highs, then chances are you get something directional to the upside. The bears want to do the opposite. They want to turn 2,900 into resistance, and they want to push back towards the bottom of this range in at around 78 to 80. All right, everybody have a great day. We'll be out with some more stuff on social. Check that out. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.